Retrieving null values. FYI, we have covered the basics of where clause in part 1 of this course. Suppose if I want to select just the rows where a particular column is null, then I would use is operator. Let me explain it with examples. Suppose I want to see those whose commission percentage is null. For that, can I use this SQL? Select star from employees where commission underscore percentage equals to null. Let me run it. No, I cannot use this SQL. It doesn't bring any result because a real null or no data is not equal to the string null. Instead, I should use the following. Select star from employees where commission percentage is null. Here it means that bring me the rows of those whose commission percentage is null. Thank you for watching.